friends, welcome to Whatever Wednesdays. Today we are going to be making Play-Doh. Be sure to follow along with me as I go through the recipe, and there's also a list of ingredients in the description below. Let's get started. Our first step is we're going to be mixing our dry ingredients. So that is a cup of flour into our big bowl, half a cup of salt, and then 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. So that's one more, 2. Now you can mix those things together. When it's all mixed together, there are no clumps, and the color is even, then we can move on to mixing our wet ingredients together. Our second step is we're mixing a cup of water with our food coloring. So you can just mix that together. Once that's mixed together, we're moving to the stove. We're turning the burner on to a medium to low heat and adding that water with the food coloring already in it. Once those are added in, you can add your tablespoon of vegetable oil and mix. Once this mixture has started to heat up, then we can add our dry ingredients. Once your wet ingredients, so the water and oil and the coloring has started to heat up for like 15-30 seconds, you can start adding your dry ingredients into that pot that's still on heat. Now we're just going to mix that in. Stirring, and you're just going to keep stirring it, and as it heats up, it's going to start to form together a little bit more. You can stir fast, just to make sure that you're getting all of those clumps and bumps out. If you want to add more coloring in, you can do that now. You can do it at the very end if you'd prefer. And I just keep stirring it around, making sure that it's getting heated through. And also that I'm getting all of those dry bits at the bottom that can sometimes hide. You might need your muscles for this to start moving the whole thing around together. Once you find that it's formed together, it's started to dry a little bit more, it's no longer super wet, then you can take it off the heat and turn off that heat. We're gonna wait until it's completely cool before we start handling it with our hands. Once your Play-Doh has cooled down from the stovetop, you're going to start to mix it together on a flat surface. This just helps to soften your Play-Doh if it started to get a little bit hard from being on the stovetop. You can also add some more color if you'd want. You can see that I used some whole wheat flour, so that actually made my blue turn a little bit green. That's okay. And there you have it. Homemade Play-Doh. Ta-da! Thanks for tuning in for Whatever Wednesdays and Homemade Play-Doh. I hope you enjoyed. I'd love to see your Play-Doh that you made at home. For storing your Play-Doh, I like to put it in either a Ziploc bag or saran wrap, and then in a container as well to keep it nice and soft for at least a couple days. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out tomorrow's video for Tasty Thursdays. Bye guys, have a good day.